This video is going to talk about setting up your own Facebook application. So you have to register as a developer with Facebook, and what this entails is that you have to give them a phone number that they can register you and authenticate you with. You would just go into the developers area and register as a developer, and this gives you the ability to create applications on Facebook. So to create an application on Facebook, so that this is the developer's address, so it's developers.facebook.com/apps, and once you're authenticated as a user, you would just click your apps, and from there you can create an application. And once you open up your application, you're going to have a display name, a namespace. So when you hit create the new application, you press the button here, create new application, you'll see a pop-up window. You need to give a name for the application as well as a namespace. So the namespace is optional, and once you type this in, Facebook will check their platform to see that if anyone's using that particular app name, and if it's available, then they'll allow you to use it. They all have to be lowercase letters as well. And then once you select that, you'll be able to you'll get a CAPTCHA code. Enter in the CAPTCHA code, and that creates the application. And then you just have to enter in that basic information about the application. So you need the display name and namespace is what you entered before. You have to have a contact email, and then we've got app domains as well as site URL. So here you would enter in the site URL as well as the domain that you're going to be using. You've got an option here for sandbox mode, and if you are developing an app within Facebook that's going to run within Facebook, you can create an app on Facebook. If you've got a mobile website, this is the option to put in the mobile URL, native iOS application or native Android application, so you could set those settings if that's the type of application. Or if you're creating an application that's going to be using Page Tab, this is where you would enter in the URL. Any of these you do need to have HTTPS, which is a secure server. So this is something you'd have to pay extra with your hosting, or you can work with the Facebook one, Facebook partner that provides you a hosting URL for your application. So you don't need to have the application host on Facebook. You can interact with the Facebook API just using your own website, but if you do want to go the route of having an application that's tabbed within Facebook, you need to set up a secure site. So this is essentially all the information you need to get started and to create that application. So this is how you go into Facebook and you set up an application.